Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your OnePlus Nord, for the first you have to open the settings. Right now you have to scroll down, tap on the storage and click on the free up space. And as you can see, in our case we don't have any folders or any useless files that we can delete, but in your case you will get here some cache data or something like that, and you can just select and then straight clean it. But we can try to review the recent items. So for example, I can remove the HP print service. I don't need it honestly, and also I can try to do the same with the weather application, and then just tap on the free up, confirm with free up space. I don't want to turn it on with the manager, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.